All right, guys, so this is a strip. Okay, here is the strip, right? The all four of them, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so at this point, the next thing for you to do, okay, the next thing for us to do right now is bring the 4 together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Use your needle and thread to tack the all 4, okay, and make it one. Tack it together just at the tip here. You see, this is an example of what I'm saying. Okay, just tack the all 4 together, okay, straight up like this. Okay, just arrange the 4 like this. All right, and tack the tip. You see, it's black, so you may not really see mine. Okay, so you tack the tip. So we are going into the weave properly. Please, at this point, I need your concentration because it looks technical, but it's also easy to understand. All right, so after tacking, what we are doing right now is the braid box. You can either call it a braid box or you call it a square. Okay, yes, you can call it a square. We are weaving a braided square or a braided box. Okay, a braided square or a braided box. Okay, so you open the 4 like this. Please pay attention. All right, if there is anything you don't understand on this video, you have the right to play it over and over and over and over again until you have a full understanding. All right, okay, so you spread the O4 like this, right? Follow us on Instagram at Fashion Boss Innovations Academy. Like our Facebook page, Fashion Boss Innovations. Join our Facebook group, Fashion Boss Innovations Academy. You can submit your assignment. You can post your work. You can ask questions. You can do a lot of things. You can give suggestion. All right. Go to YouTube and watch our videos, free videos on YouTube. Search for Fashion Boss Innovations Academy. You see our videos. Watch. But please remember to click on the subscribe button and also press the bell. Click on the bell also so you can get notified whenever we drop a new video on YouTube. All right, so I haven't spread the O4 like this. Now I will advise that you number it somewhat, may somehow in your mind. Okay, so I'm going to number mine now. I'm going to take this as, okay, I'll take this as number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, I'll go over it again. This is our number 1, our number 2, our number 3, our number 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so now this is our number 2. Okay, you get your number 2, number 2, number 2, and you form a loop with it. I'm sure we all know how to form a loop. I've taught us that in our several classes. Peradventure you don't know what a loop is, you can check for our crinoline loop on YouTube. Okay, so you form a loop with this number 2. Bring it, you cross it like this. Okay, you cross it like this. That's our number 2. Please follow this video with keen interest. Then the first one, this is the first one. Now you see where I crossed the number 2 to. This is our number 1. Okay, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. This number 1, you will then cross it in between number 3 and number 4. Okay, you cross the number 1 in between number 3 and number 4. Okay, you pick number 3 and let it stay, you cross it over and it stays in between number 2 and number 3. Okay, number 2 and number 3, and then these are number 4. You bring it over to the side of your loop. All right, you bring it over to the side. These are number 3. You bring it over to the side of your loop, and then this is your number 4. So this is your number 4. It comes in between number 2 and number 3. Number 2 was the one we used to form the loop. This is number 3. Number 2 and number 3. Okay, please follow. And this is our number 4 now. You pass it. Okay, you get to the end and then you pass it into the loop. Okay, pass it into the loop and then you pull. All right, you pull to form the box or the square. You see, this is what you should get. This 4 corner, braided 4 corner. That's why it's either called a box or a square. Right, please, I also practice this. Okay, practice consistently and you will be perfect in it. All right, don't just watch the video one and expect to know it. There are some technical jobs. Okay, so this is what we have now. The step you use in forming the first box is different from the second step. This is the first step. It's needed just for this first box. The second step is what you're going to use till the end of your braid. Okay, all right, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Fashion Boss Innovations Academy. Like our Facebook page, join our Facebook group, watch us on YouTube, click on the subscribe button, tap on your bell so you get notified whenever we drop a new video. All right, so this is what you have for the first one. At this point now, you can pick any one to form your loop. Okay, so let's go there. So you pull properly so it doesn't get extremely spacious by the time you are done. Okay, so we'll just use this to form our loop now. All right, you see it's the second step. Now you form this loop like this. Okay, you take this one, you come this way. Okay, so for the second step now, okay, you can take any loop right now to form a step. Okay, just get the first step. All right, and then the second step you can use any loop. So let's use this one now. We're using this loop now, so I just pick a loop and cross over here. Okay, then I'll pick the one by the side of it and cross it over here. All right, I'll pick the one by the side of the one we just crossed and cross it over here, and then I'll pick this last one, okay, and pass it inside the loop. All right, and then I'll pull. So the routine continues like that. You see, when you pull, you automatically see the box. Please, from experience, when you pass and you pull and you're not getting this box, lose it and do it again. You can lose and keep weaving and keep trying until you get it. Okay, there is nothing to be ashamed of. All right, so you continue in same vein. When you pull, you see our box is established. So you continue like that until you get to the end of your strip. Okay, all right.